This is a video guide dedicated to help you remove the online scam that comes from the site Pixperformance.net. Pixperformance.net is definitely a deceptive site. It now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you think that your computer is supposedly infected with some horrible threat. The pop-up claims that it is related to some well-known security program. However, it is not related to that program. You should not trust all these deceptive pop-ups. Don't ever interact with them. Despite all these scary messages that these pop-ups present to you. If you click on this proceed button, you will notice that you will be brought to some other questionable sites that may promote a totally different software. So don't interact with these pop-ups. They are deceptive. And by the way, they may be the result of some adware to be currently enabled in your computer. So we recommend you to carefully research your available programs and uninstall any items that are suspicious. So access the control panel, go to the control panel of your computer, look for any suspicious applications, and if you find them, take time and uninstall them. However, very often it happens that visually the computer is free of threats, but still it may periodically display some strange pop-ups through your browser and give the signs of other troubles. I recommend that you carefully examine your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.